Hello, my name is Adam Hall and I'm with Fifth Third Bank, and today we're going to talk about strategies to help boost your credit and your credit score. The final area that impacts your credit score is what we call credit mix. And this is kind of a complicated area to explain, but essentially what the credit bureaus are looking for is that you're able to responsibly manage both installment credit and revolving credit. So examples of installment credit are student loans, auto loans, those types of things where you borrow a lump sum of money, you have a scheduled payment and a scheduled term, and you pay that off over a period of time. With revolving credit, you want to think about credit cards where you have a line of credit available to you, and as you charge items on it, you pay it back, you can use it again and again. Being able to responsibly manage both types of credit will help build your credit score and have a higher credit score. Again, some of the things to think about are making sure that you only take out credit when you need it, and that you think about whether or not you're going to actually be able to repay those those obligations that you take out. And in the long run, also think that working towards having the highest credit score possible gives you a lot of options. So for an example, if you wake up tomorrow morning and you have an 850 credit score and your car won't start, you're likely able to take it to Firestone or Ken Towery, get it fixed, and they'll offer you favorable financing terms, often 90 days or 6 months, same as cash. If you have a 500 credit score, you're going to have to pay for those repairs out of pocket, and oftentimes that's going to mean that you're going to have to figure out what bill you might not pay or what you might not be able to do in order to be able to get your car fixed. Another reason that you really want to have the highest credit score possible is that it can be a significant difference in the interest rate that you could receive, and it gives you lots of options, particularly when you're shopping for a home loan. If you have a 620 credit score, you're limited to only a few products, but if you get into the 780 range, you can have a whole lot more options and often will get much more favorable interest rates and terms on your loan. Finally, the last area to think about when it comes to your credit score is that 47% of employers pull your credit before offering you a job. The theory is that if you have poor credit, then you may be less productive because you're thinking about your financial situation at work. And so oftentimes you may not be able to even get through the door for the employment opportunities that you want because you have a poor credit score. The reality is credit is an asset, and the higher your credit score and the better your credit is, it gives you options and choices, and that can really help you as you build your financial future.